You ready?
It's
What are we gonna do?
ready.
What are we gonna do, Noah?
Here we go.
Here we go, honey.
All right, now I'm going to show you what the moves are. You just got to do what I do, okay? All right, watch closely.
Feet, Mom.
Come on, let's show them how it's done. All right, the first move is just 1 foot. Ready? All right, now here comes the second move coming at you. Other foot. There you go. All right, here comes the third move. Changing feet. We're dancing now. Put some swing into it. Yeah.
Yay!
All right, now here comes the fourth move. Both feet. Well, jumping catfish, dogs, horses, and kids, we got that one pretty good. That's it. That's right. Good job. All right, here comes the last one. Big enchilada. Hopping on 1 foot.
I could jump on 1 foot.
That's it. Whew. All right. Are you ready to help me put all that together so I can tuck her out my horse and we can try that lullaby again? All right, let's do it. Come on, Fido, start stepping with me. Don't forget to put on your back.
Ready?
With me. Here we go. Well, horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Oh, horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Same horse, other foot. Well, horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Same horse, change it.
Good job, Emma. You did it.
Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Oh, horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Same horse, both feet. Oh, horse stood around with his feet on the ground. Horse stood around with his feet on the ground. Oh, horse stood around with his feet on the ground. Horse stood around with his feet on the ground. Hey, same horse, only 1 foot. Oh, horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground.
Noah.
Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Horse stood around with his foot on the ground. Yeah. That was rip snorting good time. Y'all did a great job of helping me tuck her out my horse. Especially you, man. Yes, you did.